All right, ECV fans. So I've got all the ports on the passenger side, all the old cups taken out, and I've got all the new ones. All the ports are cleaned up, and so I'm just going to show you. First off, I'm going to be tagging Riff Raff Diesel to no end because the tool was expensive, but it's made life so much easier. So let's talk about what we got here. So I'm actually going to grab the case so you guys can see all of it. So this is the extraction tool. It actually goes down in here. You can kind of see the threads. It goes down in there, captures it. Somebody told me to put a penny down in there. So we were putting a penny down in there. That way none of the shavings would go into the engine block. It comes with its own screws, so you don't have to use the ones for the injectors. And then this is one of the ones that is taken out. And the hairline fracture on this one's so small, I'd never be able to show it to you, but it's got a little tiny hairline fracture in it. And so here's the funny thing. So these are the new ones. This is the insertion tool. This will just basically go on here, get some Loctite. Don't buy the cheap crap. You know, there was some cheap stuff with this, and I did some product reviews on it, and it said that it was not worth the crap. So this is the one that came out. Now it's hard to tell because one's dirty and the other one's not, but this one came from Amazon. It's a cheap Chinese piece of junk, and you can even see the stress where they put it in a press somehow. I don't even know if it's copper. I don't really know. All I know is that these two are not the same. Okay, they are absolutely not the same piece of equipment. And these, I got them all from Napa. I'll try to put them here side by side, see if they'll stop rolling around for a second. I don't know if I can do that or not, but we'll try to do it. So you can see the one in the middle is different. Even the angles on the different levels is different. The very tip is different. And then I'm going to try to show you a head-to-head where you can really see the difference. The one on top is the cheap Chinese piece of crap from Amazon, and the one on the bottom is the one from Napa, from Ford Motor Products. And so anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to put this on here like so, just like that. And I'm going to put a little bit of Loctite on the last ring and up here on the top. And then we're going to screw these down to where the injector would normally screw down. Look at that. Made in the USA. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Riff Raff Diesel, man. I'm thoroughly impressed with their products. Anyway, you'll start screwing this down, and it'll push that all the way down till it seats. Then we'll put the injectors in that we got it from M&D Diesel. They refurbished all our, put new O-ring kits, cleaned and tested all our injectors. And so, again, don't buy cheap crap. I'm going to set this down for a second. Got to pull it out so you guys can see the whole McCoy here. And so that's this is the AD Alpha Delta. There's one oddball that goes in at the very, I think the driver's side, the very back. And so that's the next process. Stay tuned. We've got lots of more videos, and hopefully the next day or two we'll fire this bad boy up and drive it around. Stay tuned. Love y'all.